This video will show you how to take attendance for your classes. Before each class, attendance is taken electronically using the tablets located around the gym. They all have a label on them with the password as well as the username, but if you ever need it, the username is Staff Tinley and the password is UGA Tinley1. You enter those in the Iclass Pro app, and when you're done, go ahead and hit log in. From there, it will take you to the home screen. Hit attendance. There you will see all the classes. They are listed first by time and then alphabetically. Sometimes the tablet may be set at the wrong date. You can check this on the top left-hand corner where you see the date. For taking attendance, look for your appropriate class and then go ahead and click on it. Simply select the check mark next to the children that are there and the X next to the children that are absent and hit submit. This records your attendance. Sometimes kids will come late to class. If this happens, go back into that class and click the check mark to change their attendance. If a child is in the gym but does not appear on the attendance, you will need to use the computer to look them up. Usually when a child does not appear to be on attendance, it is due to something that is very easy to resolve. Some of the reasons for this include a child coming to class at the wrong time, a child going to the wrong place, for example, a preschooler going to the red floor instead of the preschool section, or a technology glitch in which a scheduled makeup or current enrollment are not appearing in the tablet. However, sometimes the reason is slightly more complicated. If you are having trouble resolving an issue with attendance, please ask for help. Here is how you can gather the information to check for these issues. Iclass should already be pulled up and logged in on the computer. If it is not, you will need to enter it into the web browser and then sign in using the same username of Staff Tinley and the same password of UGA Tinley1. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. At the top, there are tabs. You will see a tab labeled Students. This is where you want to click. From here, go to the left and you will find a search bar. Enter in the name of the student that you are looking for. Their file will come up and you will see a little icon with 4 people on it titled Enrollments. Click here. When you do this, you can see all the current enrollments of that student. You can see that Bridget is currently enrolled in intermediate gymnastics Tuesdays at 4. If there are no current enrollments shown for that student, at the right you'll see this drop-down menu. Click on it and go to Past to see all of their past enrollments. In the event that none of the tablets are working, the attendance will need to be taken on the computer. Go to the tabs at the top of the page and find the Classes tab. This is where you will need to click. From here, go to the left of the page so you can set all of your filters. First, you will need to select the current session. Next, you will need to select the day of the week, followed by the time. Once all of your filters are set, you will be able to see all of the classes for that hour. Next to each class, there is a little check mark. This is where you can take the attendance. Find the current date and click the check mark to the left of it. You will now be able to see all of the students in that class. You will notice to the right there is a check mark and an X. Click the check mark for the students that are here and the X for absent students.